In this video, I will show you a method backed with science that helps you speak with clarity, presence, and power. It is called the CLEAR method, and it will change how you speak in meetings, in pitches, and even in interviews. The CLEAR method is a 5-step system to speak like a leader. C is cluster your thoughts. Before you speak, organize, use PREP, point, reason, example, point, or what, so what, now what. Harvard study shows 30% of mental prep improves clarity by 40%. L is equal to leverage your voice. Speak at 130 to 160 words per minute. Use tone variations, stress key words. Pause with purpose. 38% of how people judge you is based on your tone. In India, people confuse calm with hesitant. Let your voice reflect confidence, not volume. E is equal to engage with story. People remember how they feel. Facts tell, stories sell. Stories activates mirror neurons, making your listener feel what you feel. Imagine this. You walk into the room and before you speak, a room full of decision makers lean in. A is equal to activate the pause. Silence is equal to power. Use 1 to 2 seconds pauses to let your ideas land. Most professionals rush. Leaders pause with intention. Think of pauses like punctuation in speech. R is equal to reflect and refine. Speaking clearly is not a gift. It's a skill. You train it. Here is the 4-step daily drill. 1. Pick any topic. 2. Speak for 60 seconds. 3. Record yourself. 4. Improve one thing at a time. Repeat for 21 days and you will rewire how you speak. Many leaders across the world use this. Satya Nadella, calm clarity took him from engineer to CEO. Indra Nooyi, balanced logic with story. Barack Obama, mastered rhythm, pause, and cadence. All of these leaders did not shout. They speak so clearly that people listened. So start practicing. Start small. Take a LinkedIn post you have written. Now explain it in 60 seconds using the CLEAR method. Record, reflect, refine. Do this every day. You will speak 90% better than the people who are chasing fluent English. So why it matters? In the age of AI, where AI knows everything, you must persuade, influence, and inspire. In India, today, it's not what you know, it's how you deliver it. Articulate leaders are trusted, promoted, followed. You don't need to speak more. You need to speak so clearly that people say, I trust this person, they get it.